Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening Garageband and creating a new song using audio recorder or keyboard so you control editing. Once done, tap the loop icon and import the file from Files or your library, then drag it onto the timeline. Make sure the project end marker is set to 30s or shorter for ringtone limits. While importing, listen briefly to mark the approximate start and end so you can trim precisely in the next step. Now focus on shaping the ringtone. Select the region and use drag handles or the split tool to cut out unwanted parts. Make quick fades by pulling region edges and then open the track controls to adjust volume, add echo, and a touch of reverb to make it pop on phone speakers. If you need a repeat or longer intro, duplicate or loop the region and use automation to smooth level changes so the ringtone sounds balanced and professional when played back. When your edit is ready, tap My Songs to save, then tap and hold the project to reveal share options. Choose ringtone, enter a concise name, and export. You can immediately assign it as your default ringtone or to a contact. If export fails, make sure the source file isn't protected by DRM and that the ringtone is 30s or shorter. If you still see problems, restart Garageband, re-import a DRM-free copy, and retry the share step.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.